Welcome to the world of Metrixplus, your top destination for test and measurement equipment. We have an entire range covering electrical, NDT, environmental, and surveying equipment catering to a wide range of industries. Today, let's talk about Metrixplus WD09 multifunctional wall detector. This meter is used to locate pipes, AC wires, wooden studs and other objects inside walls and ceilings up to a depth of 5 inch. Let's see what's inside the box now. So this is the main meter, the detector. Next, we have the test certificate. Then we have the instruction manual. This is in English and Hindi, both, for better understanding. We have the charging cable, the Type-C charging cable, and we have the pouch for easier carry. So make sure you get all these components once you buy the box. Let's see how to use WD09. This is the on button. Please keep it pressed for 3 seconds to turn it on. This is the default screen where you'll see the percentage, the battery life, and the 3 modes which will be selected. This button is for switching between pipe detection and AC wire detection, and this is for wooden detection and other foreign substances. There is a settings menu where you can change the sensitivity also. How will go? You press both buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. And you see, this is the settings menu where you have the sensitivity, language, volume, length unit, sleep and factory reset option. So this is the sensitivity button, press this button and you cycle between all the menus. Press this button and that's how you cycle between all the options. If you want to change the sensitivity, this is the button to change that. So right now in wooden detection, it is medium, but I'll change it to high, and this is how I do it. So this is how you can change the sensitivity of any mode. Higher the sensitivity, more accurate will be the detection, but there will be false positives which can also be detected. So please kindly note of that. Apart from that, you can change the unit, sleep, and if for some reason the instrument is not operating properly, you can factory reset it. So these are all the options available. To go back to the measurement mode, again press both the buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. And this is how you go into the measurement mode. So there are 3 different ways of indication. One is the LED indication. Green means it is not detecting anything. Yellow means there is something at a respectable distance, and red means it's very near. There is the sound indication, and there is the depth indication on the screen. So I'll just turn the sound indication on. So with this icon, you can see that there will be sound. If there is a wall, you have to scan it over the wall to see the indications. I'll see it on a table where there is magnetic and non-magnetic substance below the sheet. So if I keep it here, you see it is showing there is a magnetic substance at a depth of 4 centimeters below this surface, below this scanner. The strength is 98%, so it's pretty accurate. So these are all the indications which are visible here. You can change the mode using this button. This is the metal detection mode. This is the wire mode. No AC wires are detected right now. And this is the foreign substance mode. So this is how all the 3 indications help you to locate pipes, AC wires and other foreign subjects inside the walls and ceilings. This instrument has an inbuilt battery, and to charge it we have given a Type-C charging cable. The charging port is located below the instrument here, and you can use any socket 5 volt 1 amps or 2 amps to charge this. The maintenance of this meter requires that you charge it at regular intervals so that the battery doesn't die. Ideally, it is around 3 months that you charge it if it is not being used. This meter is useful for those working in the construction industry, for architects, for interior designers, and also those who use drilling machines a lot, because a special marking area is given here for drilling. You can scan the wall, you can see if there is nothing inside, and then you can mark it and drill for easier application. So this is how we can use Metrixplus WD09 multifunction wall detector to detect pipes, wires and other foreign substances inside walls. We at Metrixplus are not only about products. We are your trusted advisors to make sure that you get the right instrument as per your specific application. We have our authorized channel partners spread out across India. So make sure that you ask for the authorized channel partner certification before purchasing. Additionally, we also have online selling channels. Our commitment goes beyond sales as we provide a comprehensive after-sale service. For any assistance or help, please contact us through the link given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.